Hello children, welcome back. Exercise 2.2, question number 5. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day, he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? Now, the taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. So, the quantity of petrol filled on Monday is 40 liters. Now, the next day he filled 50 liters of petrol and the cost of petrol per liter is rupees 44. You have to find the total cost or the total money spent by the taxi driver. Okay. Now, we can write the first step as quantity of petrol filled on Monday. Quantity of petrol filled on Monday. So, what is the quantity of petrol filled on Monday? It is 40 liters. 40 liters. Then the quantity of petrol filled on Tuesday. Quantity of petrol filled on Tuesday. Now, what is the quantity of petrol filled on Tuesday? It is 50 liters. Now, we can find out the total quantity of petrol filled. So, the total quantity of petrol filled. So, what is the total quantity of petrol filled? So, Monday it is 40 liters, Tuesday it is 50 liters, therefore 40 plus 50 liters. Okay. Then cost of petrol per liter. So, the meaning is that what is the cost of 1 liter of petrol? So, it is rupees 44. Now, we have to find the total money spent. Therefore, total money spent is equal to, then we have a 40 plus 50 liters of petrol, that is the total quantity of petrol, and the total quantity of petrol is 40 plus 50 and for 1 liter it is rupees 44. Therefore, rupees 44 into 40 plus 50, then equal to rupees 44 into 40 plus 50 is equal to 90, then equal to 44 into 9, we can find 9 4s are 36, 3 is the carryover, 9 4s are 36 plus 3, 39. So, 3960. We have to put the 0 at the end. So, the money spent is equal to rupees 3960. Now, the calculation 44 into 90, we can do it in another way also. This 90 we can write as 44 into 100 minus 10, then equal to, so we can apply the distributive property A into B minus C, multiplication over subtraction. Okay, then 44 into 100 minus, then 44 into 10, 44 into 100, 4400 minus 440 equal to 4400 minus 440 0 then a 693. So, you will get the answer as 3960. So, instead of multiplying straight away with the 90, we can replace 90 as 100 minus 10, then 44 into 100 minus 44 into 10, then 4400 minus 440, so which is equal to 3960. So, the total money spent is equal to 3960. Now, next question. A vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk costs rupees 45 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? So, we have to find the total cost. Now, what is the quantity of milk supplied in the morning? It is 32 liters. So, we can write quantity of milk supplied in the morning equal to 32 liters. Then, what is the quantity of milk supplied in the evening? Quantity of milk supplied in the evening. So, how much? It is 68 liters. Okay. Then can you find out the total quantity of milk supplied? So, total quantity of milk supplied is equal to total quantity of milk supplied is equal to 32 liters plus 68 liters. Okay, so we can write like this: 32 plus 68, put the bracket, this much liters. That is the quantity of milk supplied. Then, what is the cost? Cost of 1 liter of milk or cost of 1 liter of milk or cost per liter of milk is equal to, what is the cost? It is rupees 45. Then, can you find out the total cost? How can you find out the total cost? So, the total quantity of milk supplied is 32 plus 68 and the cost of that will be the total quantity of milk, and the cost of 1 liter of milk is 45. So, you have to multiply that 32 plus 68 with the 45. Therefore, we can write total cost. Total cost is equal to, for 1 liter it is rupees 45. So, we have a 32 plus 68 liters. Okay. So, rupees 45 into 32 plus 68. Now, what is 32 plus 68? What is 32 plus 68? It is 100. So, rupees 45 into 100. So, which is equal to rupees 4500. So, the total cost is equal to rupees 4500. Now, we have one question as homework, exercise 2.2, question number 7. That is all for today's class. Thank you.